So this is our standard blinking code. This was blinking the LED on the Arduino. So you can see here, so this is the LED built in. We set it as an output and then we make it high for 1 second, then low for 1 second. So it blinks 1 second on and off. So if you look at the Arduino here, you will see it now here that light is blinking 1 second on, 1 second off, 1 second on, 1 second off. So what we want to do now, we want to use two external LEDs to do the same thing. So let's look at our breadboard right now. So these are our components. You will see a green LED, a red LED, two resistors to protect the LEDs, and some wires. So let's build the circuit. So as you know, with the LED, the long leg is the positive. So I'll put it like this, a positive in one row and the short one in the bottom row. Then I'll put a resistor here in the same row as the short leg, and I'll put the resistor somewhere an empty row. Now I'm gonna do the same thing for the red LED. It doesn't matter as long as it's in a different location. Long leg, short leg. I'll put another resistor here and then put it in the same hole, same row for the same, so the resistors go to the same hole. LED and the other resistor here, same hole. This is now, there's nothing connected to the long leg for the red LED, and there's nothing connected to the green leg of the long leg of the green LED. So I'm going to use this one. This is going to be my ground. So I'm going to connect this to the ground of the microcontroller. And if you can see, it says G and D, that's the ground. I'm going to connect it over there. So now I'm going to go to the green LED's long leg. That's my positive. And I'm going to connect that to one of the digital outputs. I'm choosing 11. So 11 is connected to the green LED. And I'm going to use for the red LED, the long leg here again. And I'm going to connect that to digital 10. So now my LEDs are connected to 11 and 10. Let's see what we're going to change in the code. So we're going to go to the code. So instead of LED built in, I'm going to say just 11. So I'm just setting that as an output. And I'm just copying this and making another line. Same thing, but this time I'm going to make it 10. So now Arduino knows that 11 and 10 will be our outputs. I'm just going to put here the 11 for the LED built-in instead of LED built-in. So now you can see 11 is high and then low. So that means the pin 11, which is connected to the green LED, should now blink on the breadboard. I'm going to press the upload button here. So now if you come to the here, so you can see the green LED is blinking. 1 second on, 1 second off, 1 second on, 1 second off. And if you look at that Arduino, the LED built-in, it is not blinking anymore because we changed that code. Thank you.